it's very important to give players rest. Somebody like a Suresh Raina, he has been participating in all the formats for a long time now, and more to deal with the mental aspect, than the physical aspect. And of course, a bit of good rest in between, helps you, keep that injuries away, that may happen, if you keep playing. He has done really well for us. Not only opening the side, but also he has batted number 3 when we had Virendra Sehwag and Sachin opening the innings. So, he is one player, or you can say one opener, who also plays the spin department very well. So I think it will be a big loss, but again, as I always say, you can't control injuries, especially sports related injuries. So hopefully, somebody will stand up and take the responsibility. I hardly get to think anything apart from cricket, so it's a very difficult question. But time will tell, whether it's a good thing or not a good thing. And of course, you'll have to see whether the captains of the 3 different sides, whether they play in all the 3 formats or not. It gives a bit of rest in between. That's good. I think the whole series is important. Why just give the importance to the T20 or just a few international ODIs? I think the whole series has its own importance, irrespective of the result of the Test series. We don't want to be a batter light. In this format, you want your full top 7 batsmen, which means Rahul will most likely get a chance. It's part and parcel of being a wicket keeper. You have sore fingers. At the same time, if you have too many, out of the 10 fingers that you have, the majority of them are so, you may have a bit of difficulty, especially in these conditions. And it's also a very bowler specific thing, like I had more problem with Ishant Sharma than with Srishant and Praveen Kumar. So it's a very bowler related thing also. And I think once you come here, a few injuries, it always happens to wicket keepers, so nothing really to worry about.